Hey yo, welcome back to Sidewynders Shed. Got a little project I'm trying to do this week, and this is for my grandson Max. This used to be his brother's train set, and I'll see if I can't upload a few pictures and maybe a little video of it when I first built it. But it's been sitting in the storage area in the shed for a few years, and it kind of got dusty and a little bit beat up, stuff being put on it. So he's interested in trains now, and trying to get that running for him. Eventually I'm gonna see if I can't make this a double-decker track. Put a raised track. I know you can't really see the track too well. It's covered in blue painter's tape because this thing was all beat up, and I kind of just gave it a few quick coats of some paint here real quick to try and brighten it up a little bit. But eventually, yeah, I want to see if I can put a raised track right on top so that him and his brother can use it. And yeah, there used to be trees and little buildings and everything in there, and all those are gone now, but I'll see about getting some more. But anyway, yeah, up in the shed, I'm sorry, don't mean to make anyone dizzy. There's the ladder I used, because way up there, that open spot, that's where that thing's been sitting for about 5 years. And I finally kind of dug it down. Yeah, I actually have to the peak of the ceiling, way up there, that's about 17 feet. To the bottom of the rafters, that's about 13 feet, I should say, and that gives me about a 3 foot span underneath the trusses. That's what they are. They're trusses. And the top of this, what you see there, that goes back another 10 feet behind this wall. I'm sorry, behind this wall's 10 feet. This overhangs 2 feet, so there's another 12 feet back there. This is actually a pretty decent sized shed. It was actually, believe it or not, at one time it's big enough for a 3-car garage, but they had only put 2 big doors on it, so it was a 2-car garage, but with plenty of room. I mean, there's like 6 or 8 feet between the sides and in between the big doors, and then between the car and the end. So it's a pretty good size shed. But anyway, this is another little project I'm doing for the grandkids, and you know, I'm gonna try and get it running. My youngest grandson, his birthday is Saturday, and of course, Maximus being the middle child, anyone that was ever a middle child knows they kind of get left out on occasion. So I thought I'd get this whole thing running for him, and then maybe we'll do something for his birthday. And also, so Tiberius, my oldest grandson, so he doesn't feel like I'm giving away his old stuff. So I'm gonna make it so I'm gonna try and make it so both of them can use it at the same time. I don't know if Ty is even interested in trains anymore, but Maximus is. So anyway, that's what I'm up to. Well, guys, here I'm gonna insert a few pictures, just a couple, and a short video of what this train set used to look like, and then I'll be back and say my goodbyes to everyone. All right, guys, appreciate it. Here they are. Alrighty, well, I hope you got a kick out of that. Anyway, I'll show you this thing when I get it done and get it running again, and probably I'll show it to you before it's totally complete and I get the second level on it, if I can do that. I don't know, let me know. Would you be interested in seeing an idiot like me trying to put a second level on here for another train to run on top, so we can have two trains? I don't know if you guys would find that interesting or not. Leave a comment, let me know. If not, I'll just go ahead and do it and show you the results. But with that being said, I really want to thank Bear Rose Garage and oh my god, and Buck, I apologize, I don't know your AOL, yeah, AOL, your YouTube channel. That shows you how old I am. Hell, I started with CompuServe. But I'm sorry, I can't think of it right off the top of my head, but I will put both of you guys, I will put a link to both of your channels in the description, and I'll probably put it in the comments too and pin it. So if anyone wants to check out a couple of good channels, and I really appreciate everything. I appreciate y'all giving me a shout out. And everyone that was on the live stream last night, y'all are awesome, man. I really appreciate it. Thank you so much. I'm way out of my league compared to you guys in everything, but I certainly do appreciate it, and I certainly do appreciate all the subscribers. I'm up over 350 now, and I was 340 in the last video, which is only a week ago. And it's awesome, guys. I appreciate it. I don't even talk to that many people in my real life in 6 months. So that's just incredible. And Bear Rose and Buck, thank you for the shout out. Thank you so much, guys. It tickles me to death. I appreciate it. It is awesome. And hey, ooh, pardon me. Y'all have yourselves a good day. Have a good weekend. Be safe, and I'll keep you updated on this little project for my grandkids. Like I said, if you want to see it being built and restored, whatever you want to call it, me modifying it, like I said before, if you want to see me making something do what it's not supposed to do, but what I want it to do, leave a comment and let me know. Y'all take care.